Hey, play a little Felix the Cat this evening. Yes. Ring, ring, ring. Felix, if you don't want to give me the bag, I'll get it for you anyway. Those are some fight words. I kind of remember Felix. I really wasn't that into it, though. I mean, me and my brothers really weren't that into Felix the Cat. Maybe one of them might tell you otherwise, but I doubt it. Really that big into cartoons, honestly. There's a couple cartoons we watched as kids, but more than like Saved by the Bell and all that crap. Video games, of course. I do like this game. Huge punch, huge boxing gloves. Must be kind of nice to have icons of yourself. I took 2 hits. Felix is everywhere. He's in the air. He's a cloud. He's the actual main character. There's icons of him. It's all Felix all the time. Whoa! I didn't expect him to jump that high. Actually, the gameplay is really good. I mean, I'm not even going to complain about it at all. And I do like that he jumps super high in the air. That was surprising. I don't really like that he just nails poor animals. Wait for that to go down, and I'm tired again. I better get going. I only have 100 seconds left. Oh no! Oh come on! 1 hit! 1 hit! You gotta be kidding me! Oh, I was down with this game until I got. Whoa, whoa! What is that? What is it? I don't want that. Whatever that is. Can I just get my boxing gloves back? He's like shocking himself. Thank you. I want this. Last the rest of this level. Do I get milk? Oh, that makes sense. Cats like milk. I can attest with that. My cat. Alright, let's do one more college try. Ooh, yeah. And that's it. Now he's out in the alley. Screw you, Felix, I guess. Not bad. I'd give it a chance if I had more time. Hopefully I don't say that for every single review here.